In this video, I will show you how to sell stocks on eToro. To do this, go and open up eToro and then just go to your portfolio. From your portfolio, you will see all of your positions. For example, I have a little bit of Tesla stock. If I would like to sell one of my positions or even all of them, just click on the stock you want to sell and then you will see all of your positions. So from here you have two options. You can either click on close on the specific position you want to close, or if you want to close all of your positions, then you need to click on close all and then they will all be sold at once. Now I only have one, so for me it doesn't matter. So I'll just click close right here. And then from here, you can see your profit or loss. You can see the return that you have made. And if you want to then go and confirm it, you can click close trade. And you will also see the estimated closing cost at the bottom here, which in this case is $1. Now, since the market is closed right now, the trade will also be closed when the market opens. So the price and return can then slightly differ. But just go and click close trade and then it will be sold. So now you know how to sell stocks on eToro. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.